Find the set of values of c so that y is equal to mod x plus c, and x square plus y square minus 8 mod x minus 9 equals to 0. That is x square plus y square plus or minus 8 times mod x, 8 times x minus 9 equals to 0, which represents a circle whose center is plus or minus 4 comma 0, and the radius is equal to under root of g square, that is a 4 square, plus f square, that is 0 square, and minus c, that is minus of minus plus 9, which is equal to 16 plus 9 25, is radius is 5 units, and it's given that y is equal to mod x plus c, that is y is equal to plus or minus x plus c is a straight line, and the circle have no solution, which means that the line does not intersect the circle. And also we can note that the distance between from the center to the line must be greater than the radius. Let's substitute y is equal to mod x plus c in the equation. So we'll get x square plus mod x plus c whole square minus 8 times of mod x minus 9 equals to 0. That is x square plus mod x whole square, or x square we can also write mod x square, and this is 2c mod x and again c square minus 8 mod x minus 9 equals to 0, or 2 times of mod x square plus 2c minus 8 of mod x plus c square minus 9 is equal to 0. It is a quadratic equation in mod x. It's a quadratic equation in mod x, and hence we can, since the line does not cut the circle, and hence we can consider no solution, which means that discriminant is less than 0, and discriminant is 2c minus 8b square minus 4 into 2 into c square minus 9 is less than 0, or we can take out here 2c minus 8, we can take out 2 square common, 4 outside, that is c minus 4 whole square minus 2 times of c square minus 9 is less than 0, or we can add c square plus 16 minus 8c minus 2c square plus 18 is less than 0, or this is minus c square minus 8c plus 34 is less than 0, or we can write c square plus 8c minus 34 is greater than 0. So c square plus 8c minus 34 is greater than 0 means, let's find the c value, minus 8 plus or minus under root of b square minus 4 into 1 into minus 34, that comes 4 into 34 divided by 2. So that is c is equal to minus 8 plus or minus 64 plus 34, 4s are 120, 136, 136 plus 64 comes here 200, it's a square root of 200 divided by 2, that's minus 8 plus or minus it comes like 10 root 2 divided by 2, or we can write here c is equal to minus 4 plus or minus 5 root 2, and since the inequality is greater than 0 and the values can be taken minus 4 minus 5 root 2 and minus 4 plus 5 root 2, since it is greater than 0 we can consider the region minus infinity to minus 4 minus 5 root 2, or minus 4 to minus 4 plus 5 root 2, but also the distance is positive, and the distance from here is a center plus or minus 4 comma 0, and here is the line equation y is equal to plus or minus x, or plus or minus x minus y plus c equals to 0. The perpendicular distance d should be positive, and that is plus or minus 4 minus 0 plus c divided by root over 1 plus 1, that is root 2, should be greater than 0, 2. So make this as an equation 1. and here the solution, this is the second solution. From 1 and 2 we can consider C must belongs to 5 root 2 minus 4 to infinity. So we don't consider this solution and we'll consider only the positive solution. 5 root 2 minus 4 comma infinity is our solution, the values of C.